Hello. This is very important video for those students who are going to participate in the General Assembly on Interpol. For Navodaya Vidyalaya students, for Kendriya Vidyalaya student and other CBSE affiliated schools. So let's we start the quiz. I am 100% sure if you prepared all these questions, then you will score highest point in this quiz. About the Interpol, you can read on the websites of Interpol. Otherwise, you in the question form you can download this video and forward to the other students. So let's we start now. Question number 1: which agency is designated as contact point of Interpol in India as National Central Bureau, New Delhi, NCB, New Delhi? So answer is CBI is the agency. Okay. So these are the information about the Interpol. You can note down all these informations about name and logo, the emblem, the flag. Okay. And the question number 2: who is ex officio head of National Central Bureau, NCB, New Delhi? The answer is the Director Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI के जो director हैं. Okay. So answer is the Director Central Bureau of Investigation. Question number 3: which year India joined Interpol as member country? 1949, after the independent. Okay. So India ने भी 1949 में इंटरपोल को ज्वाइन किया हुआ था. Which of the following is a function of NCB, New Delhi, Interpol India? It is a contact point to seek or provide information through informal channel from the Interpol member countries. This is the correct answer. Question number 5: which is the latest country to join Interpol? Micronesia, right? There are so many islands combined make a country named Micronesia. This is the latest country to join the Interpol. Okay. Now this is question number 6. You have to correct tick on the given options. Officials of NCB, New Delhi, conduct investigation abroad on behalf of Indian police. Officials of NCB, New Delhi, negotiate arrangements with other countries to bring back the fugitive criminals. NCB, New Delhi, arrests foreign fugitive criminals in India based on red notice issued by Interpol. Right? So your option D is correct, but option D is not given in this question. I will provide this option in the description. Okay. Question number 7: what is the official name of Interpol? The International Criminal Police Organization, right? CCF is an independent body of Interpol. CCF stands for the Commission for the Control of Interpol's Files. This is called CCF. The CCF consists of how many chambers? There are 2 chambers: supervisory and advisory chamber, number 1, and the request chamber. Next question: how many members are elected for the request chamber of the CCF? Only 5 members. Which one of the following is not working language of the Commission for the Control of Interpol's Files? Arabic, Chinese, French, Spanish, English. Absolutely B is the correct answer. Chinese is not working language. Name of the Interpol's body where an aggrieved private persons can approach for redressal of their grievances: the Commission for the Control of Interpol's Files. Okay. Next question: who is current president of Interpol? Major General Ahmad Nazir Al Razi. Question number 14: who is current Secretary General of Interpol? Jürgen Stock. Now you have to search which country related with these 2 personalities. Who was the first president of Interpol? John Scobar. Next question: who was the first Secretary General of Interpol? Oscar Dressler. Right? Next. Now let me take my pen. Which country has given the maximum number of Interpol Secretary General? France. France ने सबसे ज़्यादा Secretary General दिए हैं Interpol को. The apex governing body of the Interpol is General Assembly. And for kind of information, this General Assembly meeting is going to held in New Delhi from 18 to 21st October. Okay. Next question: the voting for decision making process in General Assembly is based on the principle of one country, one vote. Current president of the Interpol hails from which country? United Arab Emirates. Current Secretary General hails From which country? Germany. Okay. Now I have already given the name of these two personality. So you have to note down. Very important. The current Secretary General was appointed by the General Assembly in the year 2014. How many Interpol regional bureaus are there? Only 6 regional bureaus are there. Interpol Global Complex for Innovation is based in which country? Singapore. Next question, how many types of notices are there in Interpol? 8 type of notices are there. What is the main function of Interpol Red Notice? There are how many portions? 4 options are there, but the answer D is correct. To seek the location and arrest of wanted person wanted for prosecution or to serve a sentence. Okay. Next, what is the main function of Interpol Blue Notice? There are many types of notice: red notice, blue notice, yellow notice, but the answer is B, to collect, blue notice, to collect additional information about a person's identity, location or activities in relation to a crime. This is the correct answer, B. Next, what is the main function of Interpol Yellow Notice? Yellow Notice main function is to help locate missing persons, often minors, or to help identify persons who are unable to identify themselves. Option A is the correct answer. What is the main function of Interpol Black Notice? So there are yellow notice, blue notice and black notice. So option C is the correct answer, to seek information on unidentified bodies. Option C is the correct. So next question, what is the main function of Interpol Purple Notice? So there are 4 colors involved in the notices. Answer is A, to seek or provide information on modus operandi, objects, device and concealment methods used by criminals. Next question, what is the main function of Interpol Orange Notices? In the side of color there are 5 colors including orange also. So the option is to warn of an event, a person, an object or a process representing a serious and imminent threat to public safety. Option C is your correct answer. Very important question. What is the main function of the Interpol Green Notice? Now 6th color also involved in this case. So option B is correct, to provide warning about a person's criminal activities where the person considers to be a possible threat to public safety. So B option is the correct answer in concern of green notice. Okay. Next, Interpol notices are published by General Secretariat Interpol France. Okay. Next question, number of databases of Interpol, 19 databases of Interpol. The SLTD database contains information related to travel, identify documents that have been reported as stolen, lost, revoked, invalid or stolen blank. Right? Next question. Which is the only database at the international level with certified police information on stolen and missing object of art? A stolen works of art database. What IARMS database contains record related to lost, stolen, trafficked or smuggled firearms? Okay, this is related with the IARMS. आर्म्स तो इसमें वैसे भी लगा हुआ है, तो आर्म्स में IARMS से समझ जाइए, इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ आर्म्स के बारे में है. इंटरनेशनल चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ICSE image and video database help to share data on cases of child sexual abuse. Currently, how many countries are connected with the Interpol's ICSE database? 68 countries are connected. Familia database uses the DNA of relatives to identify missing persons or unidentified human remains around the world. When was this database launched? In 2021. Very good question. Which is the latest country joining the Interpol as member? Micronesia. Federated States of Oceania. Interpol created a DNA database to help link international crime. Today, more than 80 countries contribute DNA profiles of offenders and crime scenes. It can also be used for which of the following purpose? Purpose is to identify missing persons and unidentified human remains. Very important. Which Interpol database serves to identify stolen official documents, example, vehicle registration document and clearance certificate for import and export? So answer is stolen administrative documents. That is called SAD. Next question. Which database contains extensive identification details from all type of motor vehicles, car, trucks, trailer, heavy machinery, motorbike and unidentified spare parts reported as stolen? Stolen motor vehicle SMV database. Okay. So now next question on the basis of previous question. The stolen vessels database of Interpol serves as a centralized tool for tracing and tracking stolen vessels and engines. Interpol runs an international fingerprint database known as AFS, and AIFS stands for Automatic Fingerprint Identification System. Next, which organization facilitates police to public cooperation at international level? That is Interpol. When was the idea of Interpol born? 1914. Where was first International Criminal Police Congress held? Monaco. When was the International Criminal Police Commission established? 1923. So these questions dictated by me, and now I would like to next question want to give to you. Please read these questions and their answers, then participate in the quiz. Okay. So question number 51. Read the question, correct answer. 52, read the question, correct answer. 53, read the question and correct answer. 54, please read note about the red notice, read the question and put the correct answer. What is Interpol full name? The International Criminal Police Organization, that is Interpol, called in short menu ICPO Interpol. So question number 56, the correct answer is 1956. Question number 57, modernize of Interpol adopted in 1956. When was X400 communication system launched, enabling NCB? In 1990. Interpol has an official flag. About the flag of this question, answer is 1950. Okay. Then the question number 60, answer is telecommunication and speed in public police action. Question number 61. So this question is very important. Please read it carefully. The answer is 2001. Question number 62. This is also very important question. When was the I-24/7 Global Police Communication System of Interpol launched? 2002. So this is question number 63. The answer is Command and Coordination Center. Read this question carefully. Very important. Question number 64 also important for you. Then the answer is United Nations Security Council Special Notice. 65. Then the answer is RPD, means Rules on Processing of Data. Question number 66. What is the vision of Interpol? Connecting police for a safer world. Where is the General Secretariat of Interpol currently located? Lyon. This is very important city in the France. 68. Question is this, then the answer is this. Yeah, about the Oscar Dressler के बारे में है. Secretary General of International Criminal Police Commission, ऑस्ट्रिया के रहने वाले हैं. नाम है उनका ऑस्कर ड्रेसलर. ओके, वियना यहाँ की कैपिटल है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 69. देन द आंसर इन ऑफ 69 is A, B, C, D, New York. 70. Question number 70, answer is 1989. Question number 71, answer is 6. Question number 72, answer is Singapore. Question number 73, answer is 13 June 1956. Please read the question carefully because my video will be too long, so I am reading it quickly, but you have to remember or learn all these type of question. Okay. So question number 74, answer is General Assembly. Question number 75, answer is candidate country must receive 2/3 of the vote cast. 76, answer is 195. I think how many countries are currently member of the Interpol? 195. 77, answer is Operation Megh Chakra. Okay. Question number 78, answer is Operation Garud. Question number 79. What does the globe in Interpol emblem indicate? Question answer is this, that Interpol's activities are worldwide. Question number 80. Answer is peace. I think olive branches के बारे में है. What to do the scales in the Interpol emblem symbolize? Answer is justice. Question number 82. Answer is police action. Question number 83. India is hosting Interpol General Assembly from 18th October to 21st October in 2022. Which session? It is 90th session, 90. Question number 84. Following the logo of Interpol General Assembly being hosted by the India 18 to 21st 2022, what is at the center of the logo? Center of the logo is Konark wheel. Konark temple from Odisha. So these wheels taken from there. Okay. What does the Konark wheel reveal about Interpol? It's 24/7 functioning. Right? Question number 86. Answer is General Assembly. 87. Answer is also General Assembly. 88. Answer is 2023. Question number 89. Answer is 1997. Question number 90. Interpol General Assembly India last hosted 66th session. इंडिया ने लास्ट टाइम होल्ड किया था. आई थिंक इट वाज इन 1997. ओके, बट यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट इट. Question number 91. Answer is Executive Committee. Question number 92. Answer is 13. Question number 93. For how many years the President of the Interpol is elected? After 4 years. Okay, 4 साल के बाद बनते हैं. Question number 94. Answer is Sri Praveen Sinha, Special Director of CBI. They are related with they give all information to the Interpol. Question number 95. How many Vice President are there in Executive Committee of Interpol? Only 3. Question number 96. Constitution is main legal instrument of the Interpol. Yeah. So you have to read all these 4 options. Innovation in police related matters. So please, which one is the correct? I think innovation in police related matters. So if you want to play online quiz, then go through this link, and the link will be, I will provide in my description. Thank you very much. Thanks to all of you. All the best and take care of yourself.